Good evening. Sorry this stream's a bit later in the day, but my desk faces the west, and so I usually wait until the sun goes down, or else my eyes just get blasted by sunlight, and it's just so much pain to have to try and stream while dealing with the sun. So this will probably continue on until the sun starts setting earlier in the day, which I think is like, what is June considered the middle, the summer equinox, I believe it is. But for today, I'll be setting up the Angular service, I believe it's called, that will query the Golang API server that I made yesterday. And I hope to then be able to take that data and then just display it into the graph as you normally would, but instead of just loading it from a JSON file, which is what I'm doing now, it'll just pass in the fetched data and then display it. So another short Golang stream, another short programming stream, and then I'll call it quits for the week. Next week, I'm not sure what I'll do. I think what I'll do is I'll contact the original creator of the Twitch Atlas project and see if he wants to collaborate, because I think my project is in a good enough state where I can share it with him and say, hey, this is what I've got, this is where it's at, I'm almost done, do you want to help push this over the finish line? And hopefully he says yes. But we'll see. Other than that, though, if he says no, I'll obviously still credit him on all this stuff, because he was the original author of, or the original inspiration for this project. But other than that, it's just small optimizations around maybe fetching, displaying, clustering, so it actually gets the right colors down and everything, to get this project done by the end of May. Because that was my timeline. I was going to have this entire project done by the end of May and then launch it that first weekend of June. So I think that's June 5th or June 4th. And I plan to meet that deadline. I'll continue to do it. All right, so let me transition the screen over. So this is where we're at yesterday. So I've got the data file here, a JSON data file that I took from the output yesterday from the Golang server I was running locally. And then this is the display on the right. Nothing fancy. It's really small because it's only like the top 100 streamers or something like that, or a random set of 100 streamers. But obviously I can't just hard code the values into the front end. I have to make it dynamic. It has to fetch it from a API server. And to that end, I should actually open this up. I have gotten the API server up and running, and it is currently on my server, I believe 192.0. Geez, 1.9.2.0.0.8, I believe it is. 8070. Hopefully that's right. If not, I can quickly look it up. Remove that. Let's see. No, that does not look to be the right the right endpoint. Here, let me pull it up. Oh, 192.168.0.8. That was that's the server. Yep, there it is. Cool. Beautiful. So this is 100 streamers, I believe, something of that sort. And you can see here all the links with their appropriate weights and all the nodes with a viewership tag along with it. So I want to be able to fetch this data from this endpoint and then display it. Obviously, this endpoint will change in the live version because this is a local IP to my computer within my internet. So if you were to try to go to this IP address on the open web, you would hit nothing because like this doesn't go anywhere except for locally in your internet. So don't even try like DDoSing me or something like that because it won't do anything. Actually, go right ahead. You're gonna get nothing out of it. So, all right, let's see. So I found this example, this tutorial on how to set up a service for Angular, and I'm gonna go through it and kind of adapt it to my needs because I've never done this before. So this will be a learning experience for me as well. So let's go back here. So this is where we're currently loading it. So you can see here it's fetching JSON from the assets folder from right here, but I want to change this to be an actual HTTP request. So let's go ahead and look at this. Oh, okay, thank you, Google. I don't care. Go away. Go away. There, Jesus. Okay. To use Angular's HTTP client, you must configure your application to use HTTP module. So I guess first step would be to import this. I'll put this here. Just kind of keep it clean like that. Angular's HTTP module registers the providers your application needs to use the HTTP client service throughout your application. In app.model.ts, in my case, it's going to be Streamerverse component.ts. Oh, module. I've seen modules before. Hold on, let me check something. I think I can new schematic. I wonder what the difference between a module and a module. I don't see module. Oh, there it is. Create an Angular module. Maybe I should make a module for fetching the HTTP. I'll leave that out for now. I won't do that. I'll just include it in this TypeScript file, and then if I feel like it gets too bulky, too much is going on in this one area, I'll move it into its own module. But for now, let's just continue on as if I'm fetching it in this file. Okay, from the Angular, yeah, importing it. To register Angular's HTTP client providers globally, add HTTP client module to the app engine ng model. Imports array. I don't believe that's here. Export class app model. Is that something global? I feel like it is. App model TS ng model. Oh yeah, there it is. Imports HTTP model. Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and add that. To register, add HTTP client module to the app module imports array. I did do that. Why isn't it like that? Maybe I have to import it? Oh, no! Oh, I see what they're doing. Oh, no, never mind. I see. This is if I would... Okay, I see. I would only create this... I would only add this if I was to create, as I was about to do there, the actual module subdirectory. But since I'm not doing that, I don't actually need to add it to this ng model thing. Okay. I guess that would be useful if you were to share this module amongst a bunch of other things in the project, but since I'm only using it here at this one very specific location, I'm not going to do that. But it is a good idea to generalize your code like that, to like include it as like more of a top level, so that things can share and reuse code rather than duplicating it everywhere. So skip that. Configure card service to use HTTP client. Okay. Next step is to inject HTTP client service into your service, so your application can fetch data and interact with external APIs and resources. So in cart service TypeScript, import HTTP client from. Okay, yeah, I did do that. Oh no, I didn't. I imported the wrong thing because I was assuming this was the module, but I'm not doing the module. Okay, and then in inject HTTP client into the constructor. Okay, so private HTTP client. Easy enough. Now configure cart service to get shopping prices. Okay. So in cart.service below, clear the cart method, define a get shopping prices method uses HTTP client get. Okay. Let's try it right here. Return this HTTP get. Ooh, there we go. Get URL is, or what are they doing there? Oh, I guess if you wanted to get it locally, internally. Oh, maybe this is a better guide. Options, headers, yeah. Figure service, get this.config.url. This is getting it locally still. I don't want to get it locally. I want to get it from actual server. JSON P request, let's see. I might just be able to add the URL here and make it work. I feel like this could just work. Let's try it, I guess. 192, what's the damn URL? That would be the URL. And then, can I do then? Nope. Scale pipe to promise subscribe. Pipe. Okay, what does pipe do? Catch error. Okay, so we can get the config type with this.url. Oh, you can specify an object. Okay. I wonder. Can I go result dot that into result dot JSON? No, it doesn't like that. Oh, I need to get rid of this return. Should be single quoted. Okay, whatever. Angular is super picky about its quotation marks. Everything has to be single quoted. Maybe not pipe. Let's see. Angular HTTP get. Maybe there's a better example of this. Just do this. Most of them just get the URL and then just strictly convert it right into their type, the desired type right away, which I could do. I could make a type of data or of nodes and links, but I'd rather just pipe it in, as you can see here, as I'm doing. Whoops. As I'm doing here, is it just reads the data. Then what does then do? Okay, that didn't work. It just flew off the radar when I did that. So it takes the result, converts it to JSON, and then for the data inside the result, it graphs it. Can I do pipe? No, pipe to pipe. I just pipes it again. I don't want to pipe it. Let's see. Angular convert HTTP response to JSON. Let's see what this person does. Yeah, they're explicitly converting it. It's not what I want. I just want to convert right to the JSON. I could, like, oh, map? Wait, can I do map on this? Map? Nope. This HTTP post dot map. There's two promise. I wonder what this does. Let's see if this would be. You can manipulate the return type to string. Seems like most of this is just saying, yeah. Oh, maybe that's what I use. Subscribe. What the fuck am I doing? That doesn't seem to be the right thing either. Maybe I should just convert it into some object like that, like everything's suggesting here. I guess I'd make like it's a JSON object. I feel like it's weird that I have to like specify another separate object just to convert it over. I wonder if I could just do this, like, honestly. What if I just did that? That'd be insane to think that would work, but let me give it a shot. Yeah, no, that didn't work. Yeah. Wait, where is this complaining? I don't understand. Let's remove this for now and see what happens. Okay, yeah, no, that didn't work. Kind of figured it wouldn't, but whatever. It was worth a shot. I wonder, can I just take this and move it into here? Rename this to data. Of type graph data. Oh, right. It uses, wait, it has a type called graph data. Oh, actually, ooh, that's smart. I just realized. Let me undo all this crap and go back to this. The input here has an explicit type of graph data. So maybe I can just do where am I? Here I am. I can do this get converts it into force graph dot graph data. Ooh, look at that. And then I can call this data. Let data equal this. Oh, I'm so smart. I'm so big brain. I believe this might work. And then I just yoink that to, oh, too many. One. get rid of all these extra tabs it's complaining about. What? What do you mean? Bullshit. I feel like that would work. Let me give it a shot. Okay, no, it doesn't work. Fuck. Why doesn't it like that? Can I go constant here? I feel like that would work. Oh, it does work. Nice. Argument of type observable is not assignable to parameter of type graph data. So it's because it's an observable? So we have get config that returns the config, and then we clone the data object using its known config shape. Data config this dot data. Oh, the types are string enums rather than plain. Okay, so it looks like you can specify the response type in the get. I wonder then if I can just, instead of trying to force the type or the structure of it with this, I can do URL response type JSON. Okay, maybe this might work. Of observable object. It still doesn't like that. Why? Why doesn't it data dot subscribe? Because I guess. Actually, let me go back to what I had before and let me try another thing. So dot subscribe. Get the fuck out of there. And then data. Oh, subscribe data. To access properties that are defined in an interface, you must explicitly convert the plain object you get from the JSON to the required response type. For example, the following subscribe callback receives data as an object, and then the type casts it in order to access the property. Okay, so data, and then it typecasts it over. I wonder if I can just do this, and then yoink this and YOLO it into there and fuck all that shit. Oh, that looks like it might work. Get rid of that. Ooh, this might work. Save it. Does it compile? It compiles. Oh. Oh, but it failed. Okay. Error uncaught in promise. Null injector. HTTP module. HTTP, I don't know. No provider for HTTP client. What is this error? Let's go back up, I guess. an app model. There's an HP client. Oh. Where I wonder if it has something to do with this. Angular is HTML registers the providers your application needs to use the HTTP client service throughout your application. Oh, I'm so stupid. I do need to add this. Okay. Doesn't seem to be ordered alphabetically, so I'm just gonna YOLO it anywhere it wants to be. And then I need to register the module. Okay, it doesn't like that for some reason. Even though it says I need to do that. Okay. Now there's problems in top bar. Like, bruh, what? Oh, whoops, I put it in the wrong spot, that's why. Okay, finish compiling. Let's open you up. Put you right there. Damn. Oh, look. Oh, okay. No, it's just doing something stupid for some reason. It's getting the... Look, it went to localhost 420 slash blah blah blah, which is not what I want. Obviously, I don't want it to fetch from my local system. I want it to fetch from that URL. HTTP dot get post delete options head. What's head? What's head? Constructs a head request that interprets the body as JSON object, returns the response in a given type. The endpoint URL options that you send with the request. Okay. Don't think that's what I want. But why is it inserting this extra data here? Why did it insert this HTTP bullshit at the start? Maybe if I do HTTP // it'll links are not secure. I don't. Who cares? It fetched? Did it? I don't know. Nope. Wait. Oh, it did. It was just taking a while. And it's repeating constantly. Alright, you can stop. But it looks like it did, but it failed because from origin digit has been blocked by course policy, access control allow origin header. No access control header is present on the requested resource. Oh, okay. How do I remove this then? I don't need this header because it's local. Copy. Let's just no, that's not what I want. I guess this is close. It's what it mentioned about getting the person responsible for the server so we can reconfigure impractical solution. I use a change origin Chrome plugin to look like this. I need to return cores headers in the response. Oh, damn. Okay, it looks like I need to make changes to the API server to return cores headers. Or or I have to use the cores changer plugin. Let's see. Chrome disable cores. No, I don't. Disable cores extension. I don't want to disable it for all my projects. Seems like not a lot of people like that one. Which one did they recommend? Mossif. And then Google recommends either one of these two. This is 80,000 and this is 400,000. I'll try this one out, I guess, because this one is no, I don't want to turn on sync. Let's pin it so I can open it up easily. Actually, let's go. What the fuck? Why did it just spawn itself over there? Put this back. Okay, please make sure you understand how chords works first before using this for security reasons. Please turn off debugging. Okay. Let's turn it on. Then let's refresh. Open up the console so I can see what it does. Let's go here. Will it fetch? Oh, there it is. Beautiful. It fetched. Oh, that was awesome. Nice, nice, nice. All right. What else is there? Okay. What do I want to do now? Looks like the stream is having a little bit of problems right now. I wonder if... I'm curious if this... Oh. Is it back? I can't tell what happened. Did it drop? I don't know what happened, but... I think it dropped and then it came back. Okay, well, I'll just be really ahead of it, but basically... What happened is... Well, it'll show you, so you already know. Alright, so that's cool. It works beautifully, but now the problem is... It like when it loads the data, it's just an empty screen, which is kind of like bleh. I don't want that. I want it to be like kind of a loading screen or something in the background. So MD5 to the rescue. Let's try to get a loading screen in the background while it goes, while it tries to fetch the data. Angular. Is there any changes that I should know of? Nope, not since April, so I think I'm good on that front because I think I have beta 4 release currently. Okay. Layout? No components. Progress bars. Animated stripes? This stripe can mean... Oh, it's so small I couldn't even see it. Bruh. Like, here, let me see if I can zoom in on this. It was so small you couldn't even see it, but like, look, there's a small animation going on it right now. God damn. Okay, yeah, I'll do this one because I like the animation. And then I'll add a label. Okay. I'd have to have some service to update the progress bar, I guess, then. Yeah, it's back to resets 100. Yeah, it's good. Let's see if there's any other things I can look at. Validation, what's this? Oh, no, that's not what I want. Data, charge tables. Charts, let's see. Bar, graph. Radar. Pie chart, donuts, scatter. Nope, not really what I want. Utilities. Interactions, what does this do? Nope. Navigation. Scroll spy. No, that's not it either. Yeah, I think carousel? I think it's progress, honestly. Oh no, that's definitely not what I want. List group, drop downs, modal, popovers, progress, spinners. Maybe spinners. Let's see what spinners look like. Spinners is these things. I could put a spinner beside the loading bar, but if the loading bar is already animated, I don't think it matters. Toasts. Why, hello there. Center, right, left, center, top, bottom. Oh, okay, cool. Kind of getting distracted, but that's kind of cool. Tooltips? What does this look like? However, oh, that's a tooltip. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it looks like it's progress. Let's see. Documentation is using custom progress bars featuring support for stack bars, animated backgrounds, and text labels. How it works. Progress components are built with 2 HTML elements, some CSS to set the width, and a few attributes. We don't use HTML5 progress element, ensuring you can stack progress bars, animate them, and place text on them. Okay. We use .progress as a wrapper to indicate the max value of the progress bar. We use the inner to indicate the progress. Okay, so we use max value is from the outer. We use inner to indicate the progress so far. The progress bar requires an inline style utility. Okay, so I have to somehow integrate this into the main, not top bar, sorry. I have to integrate this somehow into the main HTTP such that when it finishes, it will get rid of it or it will finish. Let me try doing this. Div class equals progress. Let's add u into here. Div class equals add all these attributes. There we go. Height. Okay, you can set a height with. Oh, it's on this itself. Okay. It's on the top progress. Come on, scroll up. So I go style, height, let's say 10 pixels. Okay. Now that's nice, it's up there, but the problem is once this loads in, any second now, as long as it didn't break. Oh, it broke. Oh right, the origin header's bullshit. Hmm. Let's see. Hello there, that's quite big. App Streamerverse. The router at the top. How do I want to frame this? Let's check out home. How did I do it here? Okay, so I just added a container which encompassed the entire thing. I could do that. Let's try this. So let's go back here. Actually, let's go to about. That might be the best option because it's kind of similar. So I have a giant container that spans the entire height. Yeah, okay, I think I should do something similar then. Keep that for now. Let's move this outside, move this down here. Let's remove this, or keep it, but just, I need to make a new div. And then about style, height 100. Spans 100. Okay, I'll wait for that to finish running its animation. Okay, and then let's see. Beautiful. Okay, so this thing spans the entire height now. Exactly what I want. And then I want to set the background color. How do I do two styles in one? I forget. For now, I should set the color. Here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this for now because I don't remember how to set background. How to set multiple. Do I just do height? No. Height? No. Height? Ah, there it is. 10 or 100 view frame. I believe that's how I did it last time. There we go. Now it's the same color as the background of the oh, what the hell, of the graph. All right, let's see. What do I want to do now? I want this more center, and I don't want it as large for one, or as wide, I should say. It doesn't need to span the entire goddamn thing. Style width 75%. Okay. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? I definitely need something to dynamically update the percentage every couple of seconds, I guess. Can I somehow include that in this? where after fetching it, so before fetching it, it would set it to 0%, and it would just say fetching data. Then it would go to 50% with rendering data. That might work. For now, let me just modify the look of the bar, because I don't really... Well, I don't mind it at the top, actually. Although, it's animated, but it's so hard to tell that it's animated. Like, it's almost impossible, to be honest. So I'm just kind of... I think I'll just I don't think I'll have the animated one, because it's honestly damn near impossible to see it, the animation. Unless I were to make it like 20 pixels, maybe. Maybe then you'll be able to see it. No, that's almost impossible to see still. Okay. Regardless, it's just too hard to tell that it's animated. Colors. I'll just use a basic one. Success, BG info, BG warning, BG danger. Oh, it's using the... Oh, I know what it's doing. It's using the background utility. I can't. Okay. It's using the background utility colors. I don't even remember which one of these it is. Or is it an API or methods? No, it's somewhere in here. Interactions? Nope. Let me go back. Maybe they have a link to it. Utilities for setting width. Borders. Color. Nope. Text? Maybe? Nope. Okay. Use background utility classes. Maybe it's up here in content and styles. Colors? I think this is it. Success, light, danger. Okay, no, this is it, but it doesn't have any of the colors that I want. I was looking for gray. There's a dark one, but I don't want a dark one. Let's see if I can get a nice gray color. Would a gray loading bar look good? Oh, that's broken. This goes like that. There. Maybe actually blue isn't bad. Maybe just the standard blue one isn't bad. Let's see. Yeah, I kind of like that. I don't mind that. I guess the problem is that if that's at the top, if it's at the top like that, you don't know what's happening. Yeah, it's not possible to tell like what's it searching or what it's looking at. How would I be able to like set text? I guess you can set text in it. Like, I guess I could try that. Like, what does it look like with text inside of the progress bar? Labels. Oh, I literally just say inside the thing, doing stuff. Let's see what that looks like. Oh wow, that's so small. Okay, they set a height on it as well to actually make the text visible. Yeah, okay. I feel like this is different from this. Like this is kind of like very matte, but it looks like there's edge coloring or something. There's some shadowing going on for some reason. Let me check that out. I wonder if there's something coloring it more. No, not really. Wonder if it's my imagination. But I definitely think there should be some text or something, or some sort of indication of what it's doing, if not an animation bar. Let me try centering it. I wonder what that would look like. Let me try putting this in the center of the screen. Let's see, layout, containers. Nope. Display. Oh, there. Vertical alignment. There it is. Okay, so this will align the thing vertically. Actually, let's go back one. And then copy this, put it right there. Take this, cut it out, put it in right there. And then save it, see what happens. Why is there a border? I think that worked, but for some reason there's a damn border around it. Let me just remove that. Okay, that didn't do it. What if I remove this? Can this like screw off? Like, so go away, for fuck's sake. Jesus. That's really annoying. I can't see what's going on behind this stupid thing. There we go. There. It's gonna be annoying like that. Nope, that just made it really short. What if I just made the entire thing like the other one? That's nice, but why is there this white border? Is it still there? Yeah, it's still there. Why is this giant white border around it? What's causing that? Border box? What is causing that white border? Alright, what if I just cut this here, put that there, close that up. Let me check it about. What does it do? Style. Okay. Oh, and thing's gone. But the white border. Why is this white border around it? I wonder if it's coming from this. I feel like the border class is causing it to create this the progress class is causing the white border to appear. Also, I forgot to add this. There. Oh. Okay, I wonder. I just remove this for now. It's still there. Is it this? Or forgot to do comments in this. That. How do I comment things out? Fuck. I forgot how to comment things out in this lang or in HTML. 3. Okay, it won't go away, so I'm just gonna do this then. It's still there. Why? That's so weird. Why is it still there? What is causing that back? It's gone. What? Okay, it has to be something to do with... Oh, I'm so stupid! Oh my god, I am... Alright, hold on. I know. Shut up. Don't fucking tell me anything. God fucking damn it. Oh my god. Fuck. Don't fucking say a word. God damn it. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, what's causing the width now? Who's deciding the width? I guess it's just the content type that's setting the width. Yeah, it might just be whatever inside setting the width. Oh. Yeah. It's not really changing anything. What if I remove this? What happens if I do that? Okay, that just removes it from being centered. And is this the vertical centering? It is. Oh, that's the horizontal. So this is the vertical, if I'm not mistaken. It is, okay. Then I guess I could just do this. Let's go 80% of the view width. Hey, it works. I'd prefer like rounded edges on this, to be honest. Let's see, can I do rounded edges? Will it allow me? Maybe I can just Google it. MDB5 or MDB5 progress bar rounded corners. Use Bootstrap. Yeah, I know what Bootstrap is. I'm using it. Wait, what? How is it setting those rounded corners? Padding 10, sure. That didn't seem to... Angular, MD... maybe that. That's cool and all, but how does that work? I don't even think that's MBB. Like they're really square, which is not what I'm not really a fan of. Actually, since it's blue, the background, maybe it would be good to have a gray loading bar. Let's see, how does it do it? Progress bar striped. No, I don't want striped. Can't even see it. They call it BG success. Like that. Oh, wrong thing. Wrong place. There. Okay. And then how is it setting the color? It's just saying the background color. Okay. Not much to do. Not much sophistication going on there. Background color. Let's open up this colors. Let's give it this gray. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe a bit darker. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. If you couldn't tell already, I like dark themes a lot. So I might make the white a different color because it's kind of bright. Actually, that's a good point. Can I set that? Let's see. That's the entire thing. So maybe, wait, maybe I wonder. Background color. Ooh, genius idea. Let's set the background color to black. I wonder what this looks like. Oh, that's the same color as the background. I just realized that's not what I want. But that worked, it looks like, so that's cool. Let's see, dark theme progress bar. I want a progress bar that's a dark theme. This is nothing. Dark themed progress bar. Purple, yeah. That's actually a decent idea. Actually, let's just do this. Control C, V, save. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Also, it's a bit too far down. Actually, nah, that's fine. Doing stuff. All right. I think I'll end the stream here. So I got the progress bar working, and you saw the fetching is also working. The cores headers causes a bit of a problem. I'll look into setting the headers on my server so I don't have to use this extension. What else is there? Probably, obviously I'll have to set up dynamically adjusting this, but so far this is good. So on load, it'll fetch all the data and display it, and I don't have to worry about it being local anymore. So actually, now that this is done, I can actually go ahead and get rid of this. Yep, get rid of it, because now it's live data. It fetches it from the server. There's no need to wait on there's no need to fetch some local data. Cool. Yeah, and I think this is pretty close to being done. I can set up the progress bar, and then I'll probably, as I said, yeah, I think I'll email the original creator of the Twitch Atlas, so Kieran, I think his name is, and then see if he's willing to collab now, because I think this is in a decent state. Obviously the progress bar is broken right now, but I'll add the progress bar, and then I'll show him this, and then I'll say, hey, it's close to being done. Obviously, it's slow, so there's some things we can optimize. Do you want to collab on this and push this over the finish line? And I think he'll probably say yes. I think because I think he really enjoys the project. I think he'd be delighted to work on something in a live format, unless he's just strictly like data science kind of guy and doesn't really care about any of this kind of like live web page kind of bull crap. But hopefully he's willing to work on it. But at the end of the day, if he's not, then I'll just add a little thing in the bottom right here that says inspired by, and then a link to his GitHub. And I think that should be good. Yeah, this should be good. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Next week, maybe I'll have some good news about collaboration with the original author. If not, hey, it is what it is. Hopefully, if not that, then next week will just be optimizations, improvements, just kind of cleaning up everything to get it to over that final stage. Maybe even doing clustering. I might do that off stream because I feel like that's going to be a lot of work, and I want to kind of just sit down and go through it rather than try to have to like talk while going through it. So I think I might do the clustering off stream and just kind of show it off when I get to it next week. But for now, or maybe next week I might just do some more gaming, because I haven't done any gaming on stream recently, so I might do that. But we'll see. I'll decide when I get closer to it. Thanks for checking in, and I'll see you guys next